Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about Trinny London. As you saw from my previous post, I was down in the West End in Trinny's pop-up shop in Duke Street. I believe she has another pop-up shop now down in Kensington. I thought it was a really fabulous experience. I really enjoyed it. Trinny herself is lovely, really approachable, really friendly. The girls are really helpful. I didn't feel there was any kind of hard sell approach. You really just go there and experiment, have fun, play. She does some classes and master classes and things. There are makeup artists there who talk you through, you know, anything, if you've got any concerns, if you want to know what's going to suit you, your kind of colours, etc. I really enjoyed it. I saw a lady called Katie. She was really lovely, really helpful, and I wanted her to show me how to create a sort of day to evening look. She showed me various options, which I really liked. And you know, the best thing I think about this is you can create a stack. Here's the stack. You can create a stack and tailor it to your particular needs. There's something there for everyone. You can tailor the products to your needs, and there's something there for everyone's budget. You can spend £25, you can spend £100, £150, really whatever you want. You can buy empty pots, which I really like the idea of. I think that's a really clever concept. So, you know what, you can buy your stacks if you want from Trinny, you know, whatever colours you've chosen, and say you have a particular foundation that you really like, or a powder, or a different lipstick shade, you know, you can shave that off or cut it off and put it in the pot. I thought that was really clever, and add it to your stack, which I've got here. Look, I've got an empty pot here waiting to be filled. So I really like the idea. The products felt luxurious. Initially, when I heard she was doing stacks, I thought maybe it's like a kind of gimmicky thing, but I was really quite amazed, quite blown away by the quality of the products. They're really lovely. They feel really good. They are not tested on animals, which is always a bonus as well, which is lovely. Take a trip down there. So anyway, now I'm going to just take you through, the products that I chose. So I've already put some BFF cream. Now the BFF cream is, I think, Trinny's best-selling product. It's like a kind of tinted moisturiser. It's really lovely. It's got an SPF of 30. I have got the medium on right now. It's really nice because it's just a colourless cream, and you just massage it onto your face and it adapts according to your colouring. It's really nice. It's really lovely. It gives your skin a nice sort of glow. You know, it's up to you how much coverage you want. You can use it underneath a foundation if you want more coverage, or use it on its own for just, you know, a little bit of a light coverage, which is what I've got. I just popped a little bit of powder along my T-zone as well, but really that's all I have on. Now I'm going to choose, I think, what am I going to choose? I'm going to do my eyes first. I'm going to go for Fortune, okay? And I'm going to show you just how easy this is to apply. Look at that, beautiful cream eyeshadow. Just going to use my ring finger. Now it feels quite creamy, but I remember when I was in the shop, it actually felt kind of like in between a cream and a powder. So let's just see how that goes on with my fingers. And the other thing I didn't mention, it didn't budge all day, unlike most cream eyeshadows. So I think the formulas have been really well thought out by Trinny, because most cream eyeshadows, they will crease. This one didn't at all. So you saw that was really easy. Literally took me seconds to apply. Look. You know what, if you want a little bit more precision, feel free to use a brush. I know it sounds weird to apply cream eyeshadow with a brush, but trust me, it worked. Katie did it on me and it was lovely. And as I said, it does last all day. You would expect a cream eyeshadow to crease, but it didn't, I promise you. And it just didn't budge. So that's pretty impressive. I don't know what she's done there, but it's obviously something very clever, her formula. So well done to Trinny. Next, I'm going to apply a lipstick. This is called Sasha. Don't know if you can see that. A very sort of neutral, nudie colour. And again, I'm just going to apply that with my fingertips. And let's see. In fact, I'm going to use this on my cheeks as well. So she's got a few formulations. This is not specifically designed for cheeks, but she's got like a cheek to lip formula as well, which is a little bit sort of more featherlight, I guess. This is more of a creamy consistency, as you can see. I'm just going to pop that in my cheeks, just for a flush of colour. very pretty. It reminds me a little bit of NARS Orgasm. Don't know what you think about that. So cheeks are done with Sasha, and I'm going to use the same colour and my fingers again to do my lips. As I said, I'm just using my fingers, but feel free to use a lip liner or a brush if you want to. Depends how much precision you want, I guess. It's nice and moisturising. Yeah. The next thing I'm going to use is the lip topper. This was a really, really exciting product. Probably my favourite product out of everything I saw in this shop. It was really, really to die for. It's this lovely little pot again. It's called Cicely. It comes in 2 shades. There's a goldy one as well. I like this one for my colouring. It's lovely on its own. And also I'm going to pop it on again with my fingertips. I'm just going to pop it on top of this lipstick just to give it a little bit more oomph. It's lovely. So Sasha was lovely on its own. I really, really like it. But Cicely has just transformed the lip colour completely. Look at it. It's made it really kind of 3-dimensional. It's lovely. It's definitely, I think, my favourite product out of all of Trinny's colours. Right, so next I'm going to block my lips now. Okay, and I am going to transform this look and show you how to make it from day to evening in just one step using a really bold lip colour, which is going to work perfectly with this natural kind of makeup on my eyes and a really strong, bold lip. It's going to look lovely with this kind of, you know, you can see I've got an evening top on here. It's going to look gorgeous, I promise you. So here it is, my stack, and this is Demon, and boy, is it red. Look at that, gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. I love this red, beautiful. Look at that, look at that. It is stunning. If you like red, you want some of this stuff. Wow. So I've got a Demon on my lips. You can see it's a really, really bold red. I'm sure Trinny was wearing this colour when I met her in the shop last week as well. It's beautiful. It is the perfect red. I mean, look at it. So I'm loving this look. I love it as it is, but just as a matter of curiosity, I would really, really like to try the lip topper on top of this red. Maybe it's going to give it a bit more va-va-voom. Let's have a look. So let me find my, there it is, Cicely. Just want to see what it's like. It might not work, so bear with me. There you go. Wow, I love this. I'm quite surprised. I thought it was going to kind of tone down the red, but it hasn't toned down the red at all. It's just made it more sort of 3-dimensional. So when the light hits, it acts as a sort of reflector, I guess, and makes my lips look even fuller. I mean, I've already got full lips. It's not that I need it, but you know what? I mean, it's lovely. It's transformed it and given it that va-va-voom that I was looking for. Love it. Absolutely stunning. I love this product. It's my favourite product, as you know, of her whole range. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm a little bit curious. I just want to see what the Cicely lip topper looks like on my cheeks as well. So again, it might not work. Let's just have a look. Oh, I like it. Disco Queen. It's really fun. Not like overly glittery. I don't feel like I'm trying to be a teenager, but it's fun. Guys, I'm really, really, really excited about this product. I can't tell you. I love it. It's giving me a lovely glow. It's not like glittery, but just like a hint of sparkle. I feel all I need to do is get my dancing shoes on now. I mean, it's really, really pretty. I just, you know, it just gives it that extra. You know, when you've done your makeup, it looks nice, but just you want something a little bit more to make it special, and it's done that. This is a multi-purpose product, absolutely fantastic. I really love Trinny London. Honestly, you've got to take a trip down there. It was brilliant. This is all about makeup on the go. Brilliant idea, really good. We're all in a rush, let's face it, everyone's on the go. You can tailor these products to your needs. Okay, so that brings us to the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed that review. I loved testing all these products, really thoroughly enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments box below. I will link all the products that I've used today in my demonstration. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye.